This tutorial covers setting the X and Y origins on Heliner CNC machines running the Syntec control system. The CNC program needs a workpiece origin to use as its reference point. The program and the machine will measure every coordinate move from this point, so it must be specified in the file, and then the same point must be set on the machine. In this program, the reference has been set to the bottom corner of the stock. On the machine, we will therefore set the workpiece origin to the same corner on the top of the waster board, as this will be the bottom of the stock. This first method is for quickly setting the origins where accuracy is less important. Using the MPG handwheel, manually drive the tooltip until it is at the location of the workpiece origin in the X and Y directions. A V-bit, or anything with a sharp point, is best for setting the X and Y origins when using the quick method. The Z height is not important for now. However, we usually lower it because it helps us visualize the X and Y location. It is recommended to view the tooltip directly from the side for both the X and Y origins, as this reduces parallax. Now, press Offset Settings to enter the Workpiece Management window. We can see the G54 coordinate system which we will be using, containing an X, Y, and Z coordinate. To set the X coordinate to the current location of the tooltip, highlight it using the arrow keys. Then press Apply Machine Coordinates. We can see the current machine coordinates in this window. Now, the X origin and the machine coordinates should match. Repeat this process for the Y-axis, and the origins will have been successfully set. There is a second, more accurate but more time-consuming method to set the origins. Replace the V-bit for a flat end mill or any tool that has flat sides. Manually drive the tooltip until it just touches the edge of the waster board in the X-axis. Now, set the X-axis workpiece origin to the current machine coordinates. However, because the machine coordinates measure from the centroid of the spindle, the middle of the tool, but we have touched with the edge of the tool, we now need to add half the tool diameter manually to the X-axis. Highlight the coordinate, make a calculation, and manually type out the new number. Then press Enter. We are adding half the tool diameter here because we touched from the negative side and need to move over by a positive 3 mm. If we touched from the other edge of the board, we would do the opposite. Repeat this entire process with the Y-axis, and the origins will be set.